Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your mobile number or your phone number to your Facebook profile. To do that, go ahead and click your profile on the upper left hand side, then click on the About section here. Now, under the About section, you'll find a section called Contact and Basic Info. Click on that. And from here, you can add a mobile phone number. Simply click on that and you'll be able to add the phone number. So here you'll have your email address, click and add new contact. And from here, just simply choose mobile number. Now from here, you can choose the country code. So if it's not United States, you can switch this to whatever country it is. And once you do that, go ahead and click on save and just start adding the mobile number. Right, then from here, you can choose, for example, the profile, as you can see, and just click on next and you'll be able to proceed to add in your phone number on Facebook. And that's it, guys. That's how you'll be able to add your mobile number on your Facebook profile. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.